Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking a mouth-watering trip around the world to discover the 7 most popular pizzas from different countries. Get ready to explore unique flavors and fascinating stories behind each slice. Our journey begins in Italy, the birthplace of pizza. The classic Margherita pizza, named after Queen Margherita of Savoy, features simple yet delicious ingredients: tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, fresh basil, and a drizzle of olive oil. Next, we head to the United States for the iconic New York-style pizza. Known for its large, foldable slices and thin, crispy crust, this pizza is typically topped with mozzarella cheese and tomato sauce, with a variety of additional toppings available. Back to Italy, we explore the Neapolitan pizza. Originating from Naples, this pizza has a soft, chewy crust and is traditionally topped with San Marzano tomatoes, mozzarella di bufala, fresh basil, and olive oil. It's cooked in a wood-fired oven for a distinct charred flavor. Our next stop is Chicago for the deep dish pizza. This hearty pizza has a thick, buttery crust and is layered with cheese, toppings, and chunky tomato sauce. It's more like a savory pie than a traditional pizza. In France, we find the tarte flambée, also known as flamequeque. This Alsatian pizza has a thin, crispy crust and is topped with crème fraîche, thinly sliced onions, and lardons. It's a delicious blend of creamy and savory flavors. In Turkey, we discover the pride, often referred to as Turkish pizza. This boat-shaped flatbread is topped with various ingredients like minced meat, cheese, spinach, and eggs. It's a versatile and flavorful dish enjoyed by many. Our final stop is the Middle East for lahmacun, sometimes called Armenian or Turkish pizza. This thin flatbread is topped with a mixture of minced meat, vegetables, and spices. It's often served with fresh herbs and a squeeze of lemon. From Italy to the Middle East, pizza's global journey showcases the rich diversity of flavors and culinary traditions. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious content.